Hello, here to teach you some math. Today is maybe 11.1. We're in a new unit. This is dealing with angles and fractional parts of a circle. So I've got a clock over here. And with this clock, we're going to look at the fractions. Okay, so if you look at each part of these numbers, this would be how many holes of the circle are there? There's 12. So this would be 1/12, 2/12, 3/12, so on all the way across, okay? So each one is that part of the circle. 9/12, 10/12, whoa, that's a 12, 11/12, and then this would be one hole. Okay, so we're going to think about circles, and we're going at the clock. And we're going to look at the clock because if I go this way, it is clockwise. If I go this blue way, that is called counterclockwise. That's an important thing to remember in this lesson as well. So first off, if I was to go from the 12 to this 3, and I want to know how much of a turn that I went. Well, I went 3/12 of the way around, and I went counterclockwise because I went this way. But how much is 3/12? If I was to simplify that, I get 1/4. So I actually had 1/4 of a turn clockwise. Okay, and with these clocks, the biggest things that you got to remember is, or the turning is, there's 3 ways that we're going to turn these. Okay, let me erase some of this right now. We are going to turn, it can turn, really the distances you need to know. The 3 is 1/4, the 6 is 1/2, the 9 is 3/4, and then the 12 is the 1 full turn. So if I'm to go this way to the 3, I went 1/4 clockwise. If I'm to go this way to the 6, I went half a turn counterclockwise. And I know this is hard to see because I've got so much on here. So if I have this, and I have an arrow drawn that goes to here, what is that? Well, first off, if I look back at my clock, that's going clockwise. It's going the way of the clock. So it's clockwise. And how far is that? That's half the circle. So it's half a turn. Okay. Now if I was to go the other way and go just to there, remember that's opposite way the clock goes. So it's counterclockwise. And it's only 1/4 of the way. And really, all in today's lesson, you're either going to go a full turn, a quarter, a half, or 3/4 of a turn. So that's today's lesson. Just the biggest thing is to know going this way is clockwise, and this way, the blue, is counterclockwise. 1/4, a half, 3/4, or 1 full turn. So this is Mr. Rouse teaching 11.1. Join me next time as I teach 11.2. Have a good day.